Hey, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Tech Galore, your ultimate destination for the latest tech tips and tricks. So today we're going to show you how to reset your Apple Airpods, whether you have the first, second, or third generation, or even the Airpods Pro. So if you're having trouble with your Airpods, stick around and we'll help you get them back to their best. First off, why would you need to reset your Airpods? There are a few common issues that can be resolved by resetting them. Only one earpod is working, the volume is too low, or even when turned up, connectivity issues with your iPhone or any other devices, audio isn't syncing properly, overall performance has been degraded. If you're experiencing any of these issues, a reset might just be what you need. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing we need to do is go into our settings and allow our device to forget the AirPods. So whether it's the iPhone or MacBook Pro, we need to go into our settings. And we need to find the forget device button. So there we go. Forget this device, forget. So now we need to open up our AirPods case, put our AirPods inside. Need to wait about 5 seconds. Then we need to locate the reset button. There it is right back there. We can go ahead and open our AirPods. We need to go ahead and press this button down for 15 seconds. This reset button at the back. So hold that down for 15 seconds until we see a flash. Okay, there we go. There is a flash. So now the reset has been completed. There's a button right there at the back. So now we can go ahead and open our case and take out our headphones. Since the reset is now completed, we can go ahead back into our settings and see if we can connect to our headphones. Go to Bluetooth. As you can see, AirPods nearby. Just hit connect. And there we go. We're good to go again. Whatever issues we were experiencing should now be fixed with the hard reset of our AirPods. So that brings us to the end of our video. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our Tech Galore channel for more tech tips and tricks and even tutorials. Do you have any questions or video suggestions? Drop them down below in the comment section. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. We'll see you in the next video.